Welcome and welcome to our first ever interaction about graphic design. I should tell you that you are one of the luckiest people to be able to enjoy this skill. Most of the people pay a huge amount of money, a lot of money for them to be able to acquire this skill and use it for their benefit. Okay. Now, in graphic design, we are going to do so many things. As you can see on your screen there the book. Okay, there is a flyer there is a logo, there is a there is a that is business cards which in 3D. Okay, when you look at all these things, it really look amazing. Okay, now your friends that have done this course are the ones that have been able to do all these ways, and for this you only need a month to be able to learn this skill from A to Z. Okay, now let's look at what is graphic design. Okay, what is graphic design? For me, as just like foundation, we are defining graphic designing as something that will really help you in terms of changing your future and changing the perspective at which you view most of the things around you. Okay, so that is our target. Our target is that you need to be able to be empowered, and when you are empowered, please do not forget to empower others, because this skill, I can assure you, so long you take it the way it is supposed to be taken, you'll never go wrong. Okay. Tomorrow we'll find you are working for one of the biggest companies in Zambia, or if it is not that, we'll find you we'll find you having a company that is well to do than many companies around. Okay, graphic design is one of the things that is actually making a company to be on the top. Why? Because it is dependent on how you know it is branded. Okay, and the graphic design is all about branding. Okay, therefore let's dig into the course outline. Let's see what we're going to be covering in this skill. Okay, let's see what we're going to be covering in this skill. So our first topic, we'll look at the introduction to graphic design. We'll understand what graphic designing is all about. Now, the overview of this is that this will enable you to build a very strong basis for training this skill, including interest for what you love. Okay, so there are three projects in the first assignment, in the first topic, and which is one, we'll look at how to download and install Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and Photoshop. Okay, we'll look at how to download and install Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, okay, and other files that you need, other softwares that you need. Okay, so one, we look at how to download graphic designing. We'll look at how to download graphic design ebooks. So these are books that will help you, where you can find knowledge. For those of you that are really interested in this, you will go deep and understand all the things uh, about this. And I will give you these things for free of charge. Okay, because we are here to empower you. Then thirdly, we will know how to, knowing the Adobe Illustrator interface. So we understand the Adobe Illustrator interface. Then fourth, we'll look at the important tools and website for your design. So the important tools and website for your design. Then five, we'll look at the elements of a good design. The elements of a good design. What makes a good design? What makes a good graphic design? Okay, so those are things that we'll look at in our first chapter, which is chapter one. Okay, we'll look at the three things. Then going secondly, okay, we'll know how to design a flyer. We'll know how to design a flyer. So we're going to deal with the flyer design. Okay, now this topic will build your abilities in flyer making, as well as build good designs for different brands. Okay, so you'll be able to build different brands. Okay, and in here you will do two projects. Okay, we are saying a design product Design a product design flyer for just like furniture branding. Okay, use a price tag as of 75% off. So you design a product design brand. You design a product design brand. So this product design brand, that is your work, that is your assignment. Then the second assignment will be design a product design for a child in need of sponsorship for education, and the poster to be calling well wishers to support the need children through school fees. That is about the second project. Then the third project will look at how to design a business card. How to design a business card. And this topic will build a very excellent idea on how to design business cards for different companies. Okay, so it has three projects. It has got three projects, which is design a card for yourself as a graphic designer under Chancellor Foundation, design a business card for your tutor under Chancellor Foundation, design a business card for any other person. Okay. Then thirdly, is it fourth? But the other topic is letterhead design. You know, those nicely looking letterheads. How do how do you design them? That's one thing that we're going to look at, letterhead design. So this topic will help you with knowledge on how to design a letterhead so that you can make a company look professional. So those of you that have got ideas of building a company in the next few months, or you've already started, this will actually be one of the key topics that you need to be able to design a letterhead. Okay. Then we'll look at product packaging design. You've seen so many packages, fruit drink, cabana, all those drinks have got a package. Okay, now there is a way that it's supposed to be branded. As you can see, there is a beautiful mica fresh juice which was designed, and look how realistic it looks from this picture on your left side to this wonderful mock-up, or to this wonderful design under the topic description. So here you have three projects. So you have the first one, you have design a product package for beverage, design a product package for traveling bag, design a product package for Just Life tea branding. Okay. Okay, so that's all about those that topic. Then we'll go to banner design. In banner design, look at how beautiful these things look. You as a graphic designer, you'll be able to design a banner. Okay, that banner you use it to for different companies. Okay, so this topic will teach you how to design a banner for different projects and programs. Now, two, design a roll-up banner. So here there are two projects. So where you design a roll-up banner for just like free tuition skill training, then you design a flyer for just like fashion house. Okay, as you can see there, there is a good design for the fashion. Look at how it looks, and there is another one for the selling of products with 30% off. Okay, the other one, we look at the book cover design. Book cover design. Look at how amazing the book cover looks. Okay, from this picture to the real 3D picture. Okay, that's how you can put whatever you want. So this book cover design to enable you to know how to design a book cover. Okay, so it has got two projects. The first project is design a storybook titled How Just Life Started. Okay, design a book cover title The Great Graphic Designer. Okay, then you put name, the great graphic designer, you put your name, you can put your picture. However, it has to be very creative. Okay, then the other one is one of the amazing topics, vehicle branding. So vehicle branding, you look at how you can design a vehicle. Okay, how you can design a vehicle, and a vehicle looks realistic. I'm sure you've seen many vehicles that look with those beautiful branding on them, and you learn how to do that in this our skill. Okay, now this topic will help you to know how the branding of a vehicle is done, from the process of graphic designing to a presentation to a client. So you are presenting that to a client after designing for them. As you can see on my left side, there is on your left side there's a beautiful uh, design, and that design now has been put on the actual vehicle. Okay, we'll get to know how to do that. Then design a vehicle for Just Life Foundation furniture delivery. Okay, so you're going to design a vehicle, then design a vehicle that delivers food for the need with Just Life brand. Okay, that's your project. Then logo design, one of the well marketed and the highly needed skill. It is logo design. Now, as you know, this is a very famous Aaron Mujajati foundation. We just did something for the sake of just doing it. It was not actually approved by him, but we just did something, and of which we've seen it to be something amazing. So we designed the we designed the logo. Then after designing it, look at how amazing it looks on a 3D. Then we also have the foundation, Chancellor Foundation. Look at how it looks on on that 3D. Then one of the well-known Ndolo Foundation, uh, also done. Look at how amazing it looks. Okay, so here it will have 5 projects. It is one of the bulky topic and project because we want you to be thoroughly inclined to this. Okay, this topic will help you know how to design and create a logo for different brands. Okay, so in here you make 5 different logos. So Just Life Skills logo, Just Life's Furniture logo, Just Life's Engineering Company logo, Just Life's Food Company logo, Just Life's Fashion logo. So now you as an individual, you need to be able to design all these logos once you learn about this. How amazing is that? Really? Where would you find such kind of amazing skill for free of charge? Okay, for free of charge. Where? Okay, Just Like Foundation, we are aiming at enriching your life, enriching your life with brilliant ideas. Of course, we don't want you to go away. We want you to come back and actually empower others. Or if you don't come back with us, you can actually go somewhere and still be able to impact a life like we have impacted into you. Okay, so the last thing we're going to talk about, what to do um, with your skill, what to do with your skill. Now, this topic will help you know how to make use of your skill as a conclusion. Thirdly, forming your brand. Okay, this will look at forming your brand, creating a Facebook account, advertising all the products, online marketing strategies, and more. Okay, so this one now it will help you now settle in, will help you market your business, will help you establish your business as a learner. Okay, now once this is done, once you submit all the projects, we mark all the projects. You as an individual, uh, you'll be you'll be structured, or you'll be actually projected to presentation. So you have to do what we call um, exhibition. Exhibition is a day when you'll be demonstrating or you'll be showcasing what you've designed. So meaning in each and every projects that you do, okay, you're going to pick one of the best projects and you do it on our live presentation. On our live presentation, we'll have an event where before you graduate, before you get your certificate, you'll be able to present to the public how you designed that and how it has helped you. Okay, thank you so much. This is what we are going to be dealing with in this skill. So those of you that have not yet registered, please go ahead, register, and stand a chance to benefit greatly in this wonderful graphic design class. See you in the next videos.